Welcome, Panda-Frog. Today I bring you the Alpha 950 60mm. So let's get this one in a vise. Again, nice, beautiful brass lock, 60mm. Nice snap. Little sticky. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pins. It does work fine. Alrighty, let's go. What the fuck? You see that? It's already bent. It wasn't bent by me, obviously. But yeah, wow. Okay. So, pin 1, nothing. Pin 2, nothing. Pin 3, nothing. Pin 4, nothing. Strange. I think I got a fault set now on 1. Maybe, I don't know. Never, no, don't. Did not get. Strange. Okay, there's one pin set, another one, and open. Well, okay, so let's try that again. Disappointing, like the other alphas and souls I picked before. So this was the Alpha 60mm 950. Might be spools in here. The key is bent already, so let's try to unbend it. That was risky, but it did work. Yeah, yeah. Beautiful lock, not very secure. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.